In today's video, I am going to teach you how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are on the main navigation view. From here, look for the three dots menu in the top navigation area. Click those three dots to open the full list of tools. In that menu, find Marketing, then select Email. This takes you to the email marketing area where HubSpot stores your sent and scheduled marketing emails along with reporting. Once you are on the email page, move to the Analyze tab. The Analyze tab is where you can review performance data across your marketing emails rather than looking at one email at a time. It is designed to help you spot patterns and compare results over a specific period. Next, set your date range. Find the date range selector and choose the time window you want to evaluate, such as the last week, last month, or a custom range. Picking the right range matters because it keeps your analysis consistent. For example, if you are comparing campaign results, use the same length of time each time you review performance, so the numbers are easier to interpret. After you set the date range, filter by campaign. Use the Campaigns dropdown and select the campaign you want to analyze. This focuses the dashboard so the metrics and charts reflect only the emails tied to that campaign, instead of all emails your team has sent. If you run multiple campaigns at once, this step is especially important to avoid mixing results from different promotions or audiences. Finally, click any chart or metric you see in the Analyze view to open the breakdown. This is where you can drill into details and understand what is driving the top-level numbers. Spend a moment reviewing the breakdown for trends, such as spikes on specific send dates or performance changes after you adjusted subject lines, timing, or audience targeting. When you find a strong result, take note of what was different so you can repeat it in future sends. That covers everything you need to know.